The 2018 Honda Ridgeline is up for anything. It's balanced and offers simply enough ability for most pickup purchasers. That is expressing the self-evident. However, following 14 days in the driver's seat of the Ridgeline, I'm awed with Honda's adjusted way to deal with the ultra-focused medium-sized truck portion. I call it the folding knife pickup. It's littler than full-sized creatures like the Ford F-150 and its adversaries, however the Honda punches over its weight. Here are 3 perceptions in the wake of ruminating on the Ridgeline, which joined the Autoblog long-haul armada this winter. This is the reason numerous buyers purchase a pickup, to infrequently pull or tow something. The 280 drive V6 is strong. What's more, with a towing limit of 5,000 pounds and a payload rating of 1,499 pounds, the Ridgeline offers all the snort you require, more often than not. Of course, there's a section of purchasers who frequently require greater capacity. For the people that really require a work truck, the full measure portion has a lot of choices. However, for errands, the Ridgeline is expert. I likewise took it to Costco, trekked crosswise over town in a snow squall and put the pooch in back to run errands. The pickup satisfied its utilitarian obligations without limitations. In any case, vanilla can be great, and the Ridgeline wins by being exceptionally strong in numerous territories. Despite the fact that I was hoarding this truck for a decent lump of the winter, Autoblog editors have been preferring our Honda pickup amid its underlying weaks in our carport. It's a long-termer that is dependably sought after, and this spring it will without a doubt be utilized for outdoors, kayaking, baseball back ends, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Like I stated, the Ridgeline is up for anything.